ito na. Taran! At ang okay guys, hello guys, good morning. Today is Sunday and we are going to open a presents from our dear friend
Fanso.
for the friend Fanso. Your gift is here now, so we are going to unboxing. Okay,
Thank you very
so
much.
what's inside? So thank you so much for your gift. So now we have to start to open it.
We
Okay.
are so excited.
We are so excited, guys. So my husband is here. What you gonna say?
Hello, Fanso. I'm looking forward to open this packet.
So thank you so much for sending. Okay, so we're gonna start. Now you want to watch? That's from Fanso, guys. If you know Fanso, Fanso is our very genuine.
Wow.
Love it!
You love it?
Thank
You
you
like
very
that?
much.
Oh, toffee.
And what we got here.
Oh my gosh!
Oh my god. Hey! It's not for you.
It's not for you. Wait.
More.
Wow.
Thank you so much, Fanso. I'm looking forward to drink
Pet
this.
candies.
Yes, and your candies? You like the candies, Christian?
Yes.
That's right.
Thank you very much, Fanso.
Yes,
Thank you
that's
so
all.
much.
And thank you so much for the gift.
Bye, guys.
Hello. Good day sa inyong lahat. For today's video, I'm going to unboxing something so exciting, guys. Kung ano yung i-unbox ko. So, I will show you ano yung binili ko para i-unbox ko ngayon. Okay? Are you ready? Are you ready? So, ayan. Malamig na dito, guys. So, ganyan ako. Okay, so exciting. Ito, guys. May binili ako, guys, kasi para tuloy-tuloy yung pag-play ko ng videos kasi yung computer ko, guys, naghahang na siya. So, bumili ako ng bago. Bago ito, guys. Ito na. Taran! Ito, guys. At ang brand ay MacBook Air. MacBook Air, guys. At ito ay hindi siya 13 inches lang siya kasi I want that it's very handy. Gusto ko yung madala ko kahit saan. Ayoko yung malaki masyado. So ayan, the color is gold. The color is gold, guys. Gusto ko sana kung may blue. Yun ang pilihin ko. Kaya lang nabuksan na kasi ito, guys, kasi na-download na free download yung mga halimbawa kung merong mag-stall, if somebody stalling my computer, so matrace out nila kung sino yung nagamit o sino yung kung saan na malocate nila kung sino yung nagnakaw ng aking computer. So, yun ang tapos lahat na yun yata download ko. Kaya binuksan nila, guys, para di ko yung may dinownload sila, iwan ko anong name nun. Para ako na hindi ko alam mag-download kung ano yun. Kaya pina-download ko na lang kasi free naman, di ba? Para ayan na. Taran! Ayan. It's gold. Gold color. This is model 2019, guys. MacBook Air 2019. Tiririn. Very handy siya. Ang ano niya, ang nipis niya. This is very, very handy. And it mga 12 hours battery capacity ng battery niya, guys. Mga 12 hours siya bago siya lobat. Ayan. O, diba? Very thin lang niya. Tapos, very handy. Yun ang gusto ko, guys. Kasi, ayaw ko yung malaki na computer. Kasi, malaki yung space na, halimbawa, lagay ko sa bag ko. Okay lang. Pansit. May sale sana, guys. Kaya lang, yung isang gusto kong bilihin, model 2016 yata or 17. So, maliit lang yung difference nila. Mga 2,000 kroner. 2,000 kroner, I think, like that. Kaya lang, asawa ko, sabi niya, maliit lang naman, dagdagan na lang daw. Kasi at least, mas mataas ang capacity ng battery nito kumpara yung sa old na model. Kasi yung sa old model, yung capacity ng battery niya is 9 yata or 10 hours. Din ito, 12 hours capacity ng kanyang battery. Kasi 2019 nga model niya. Kaya ayan na. Buksan na natin. Tararan! At dito. Oh, ayan. May ano na siya. Diba? Ganun. Yeah, it's my name. Ruby. Hindi ko pa alam kasi inaano ko pa. May password siya. Ayan. At andito si teacher. Teacher. Teacher, oh. Yes. I like it very much, guys. Kasi it's very handy. Maliit lang siya. Tapos it's very lightweight. Kaya kahit saan ko, parang okay lang sa akin dalhin. So, ayan na, guys, ang aking unboxing. So, I will upload binili ko ito after ng birthday ko, guys. Kaya yung videos na birthday gift sa akin, hindi ko pa na-edit. So, iwan ko kung sinong dalawa dito ang mauna na i-upload ko. Okay? So, that's all for the haul for today, guys, and I hope to see you in my next vlog.